got Zee representing right here on the fixed gear. What you think?
It's good.
Yeah?
It's hard as hell with these big wheels, but
you know you got a high jump competition. I know you jump high in this joint.
it's over for me, man. I'm still coming off this injury.
Oh, that's right. You got the knee injury and all that, right? What's up with this bike here? Tell me about it.
This is something new from W-Base. It's the Durcus 1 nasty model, 700 freestyle fix. H+ sun front and back rims. All city female front and back hubs. Animal stem. Durcus 1 handlebars.
Nice.
Durcus 1 cranks. Tree sprocket. KMC chain.
Nice.
Regular animal pedals with the Strata / load straps.
Dope, dope.
And oh yeah, my trusty P-Fixed seat.
Nice, nice, nice.
And concept assassin fork on that thing.
Oh yeah, you like that fork. I see
Yeah,
you had it on the other
fork.
bike, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
It's the only fork that hasn't broke on me yet.
Word.
And I'm riding a 4220.
Dope. Yeah, man, we saw Zee this morning, bro. He's doing a photo shoot, getting his BMX fashion model on today. You know what I'm saying? So he came through to represent for the Sugarcane Bike Fest that we having here at Brooklyn Bike Park. You know what I'm saying? And you know, we have some fixed gear events. So hopefully in the near future, once the knee is all healed up, we can get you involved with some of that too.
Definitely. Once the knee is good, I still got a little brace on in, like the holes are still fresh in the knee off surgery, but it's only been like a month and a half. But I go hard.
Word.
It's about that bike life, so
hell yeah.
I'm still out here riding.
Dope, dope, dope.
Thanks again to W-Base for hooking me up, making sure I get back on the bike after my accident. Tokyo, Japan. My love from the USA.
Word.
Thanks, guys.
That's what's up.